In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Steam Deck. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before you do start, keep in mind a factory reset will erase all user data. It's going to remove your downloaded games. It's going to delete your local settings. Of course, just make sure that you have anything important backed up before continuing, but begin by pressing the Steam button to open up the menu, and then from here scroll down to the very bottom-ish and select settings. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll down again, and this time what you're looking for is your system settings. It should automatically put you on this, but select it just in case it doesn't. From here, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you're going to see an option for reset to factory state. Go ahead and select this, and if you press Y, you'll see even more information explaining that all user data and local games will erased. But after selecting factory reset, you will be put on a warning screen again. Obviously, if I go in and select this, it's going to tell you the warning right here. You just have to hit confirm in order to do this. I would recommend keeping these two ticked just because it'll clear your user data and configuration, and of course reinstall Steam OS. But whenever you're done reading this and making sure this is 100% what you want to do, hit confirm and you'll be good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.